In this Fusion 360 tips and tricks tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the tools that I like a lot, and it just comes in very handy for making specific type shapes. It's the pipe tool. And if we go under form and we have some sketches here, if we say create pipe, now we can select these, and anything that we select, it's going to go ahead and combine them. Now here you can see it looks kind of messy, but if we turn on the smoothing, now you can see the kind of results that you can get. And a lot of these forms are really hard to create in other methods in CAD. So now if we go to this shape, we can do the same thing. Turn on smoothing. And another thing is, if you want the ends to cap off, right now they're not. You can see they're just open pipes. You can go to the end types. You have open, square, and then you have spike. And from here, one of the things that's really nice is how easy it is to manipulate these shapes. So we can go up to modify, we can grab these shapes, and we can start pulling things around. It's just going to allow you to have pretty much complete control over everything in the shape. But it's a very handy tool, and I use it all the time. Thanks for watching.